Welcome to Hi Stylin, where I deconstruct outfits I made after eating gummies and turn them into wearable looks. Hi Stylin Season 7 is brought to you by Wyld Gummies, unfortunately not sponsored, and the summer of 2023. Hello, my freaks. Are you ready to see how Jaime kicks off Season 7? Jaime, this person has very short legs. Why are you so body negative, Jaime? And we're wearing socks as sleeves. At least we have the correct socks for wearing flip-flops, though. I appreciate that detail. All right, let's try it, I guess. I just want to say that it's okay to have limbs, despite whatever Jaime may think. It's okay to not have limbs. Either way is fine. One thing I didn't anticipate is that we had to wear the ring underneath the socks, so there it is. I'm not really sure what Jaime was thinking. I don't know why we're wearing a belt. There's a lot that's confusing about this outfit, but this was my best rendition. My sock fell down. Um, I'm just gonna wear it like this since I do have legs, and I kind of like the outfit already. I mean, I don't think this is gonna work, but I like the colors. I think we can keep the top and the skirt, maybe? I would never have put those together, but I don't see why it doesn't work. I feel like the subtle tie-dye up here kind of echoes what's going on the skirt. I wish I had arm warmers, but I don't think I own anything like that because that would be a good substitute for socks on the hands. The yellow ring seemed really random to me until I realized I think Jaime was trying to match it to the flip-flops, but I didn't really like the flip-flops, so I switched the color of the shoes and the belt, and I think these shoes kind of give the vibe of the thicker belt with these thick straps on it, and then I just like this way better because that belt didn't really go with this. This belt also doesn't really go. I don't feel like it necessarily even needs a belt, but we'll see where we go with it. Now that we're not wearing flip-flops, we really can wear any socks we want. So maybe I'll try a couple of the arm sock options on my feet. Well, I don't like these ones because they're pink and green, but they're the wrong pink and the wrong green, and these stripe ones just don't really do anything for it. So let's find some other options. I know Jaime gave us a lot of colorful and patterned options, but I just went for these white fishnet socks because I think they I think we have enough going on here already and we just didn't need a whole lot more, but we still have a little bit of texture. So, you know what, the more I look at this, I don't like the yellow either. And now that we have white, maybe we can just match the white belt and then I won't hate the white belt as much. And then we still have the yellow ring. We don't need two yellow things, right? Yeah, that's a lot better, I think. I don't really like this outfit anymore. I honestly liked how Jaime had it. I think it was just a fun, high outfit, and now that I'm trying to make it normal, it's just not really working. But let's keep going, maybe we'll fix it. I was thinking what to do since I don't have arm warmers. I mean, I could just wear mittens, but that makes no sense with the rest of the outfit with sandals. Maybe I can wear long sleeves under it or just put on some bracelets or something. Well, I didn't even attempt a long sleeve shirt because I don't think I have any long sleeve shirts where each sleeve is a different color, and I really liked the mismatch that Jaime had going, and I thought we should keep that. So I just went for bracelets instead. We have sort of a yellow over here, like the flip-flops originally, and black and white like the original socks. So at least that's a more wearable way to mismatch your arms instead of wearing socks on them. This was a very sock-heavy outfit originally. I'm glad we got away from that. I'm gonna tuck in the end of this belt. I don't know what else I can do without getting away from the original look. I don't like it, but I think we're done, maybe. Where would I wear this? I would wear this around my house so no one sees me because I just don't really like it. Did Jaime win this one? I think maybe. The colors were more fun and it just seemed better somehow. This one is weird. It's like weird but not weird enough, but not normal enough. Let me know in the comments who you think won because I'm not feeling very confident. Thanks for watching. Join us next week as I deconstruct Jaime's super yellow look.